G'day folks, back in September I had my 40th birthday and Mum and Dad bought me this little sucker here. It's a Bakerstone Pizza Oven box. It's one of them pizza cookers you can put on the barbie, and it creates like a convection oven on the barbie. 2 to 4 minutes it says you can cook your pizzas, so that was back in September, and I knew we had to move house, so I never got it out of the box. I thought, what's the point getting it out of a box so that I have to put it in another box to move. So today I'm going to open the thing up, and tonight we're going to test it out. I'm going to make some dough. I usually make dough in the Thermomix, and I always usually cook the pizzas in the normal oven, but they still tend to be a little bit, they're not crunchy in the center. So hopefully this will fix that problem. So we're just going to get out the box. Here's some instructions. Alright, so that's it there. Obviously it hasn't got the stone, there's stone that goes inside these. In that box is stone, goes inside there, and we'll put that together now and see how it goes all put together. Knife. Righto, so I may have to read the instructions for this. Alright, here's the instructions. There are 10 steps. 10 steps before you get it onto the barbecue, and you'll need a screwdriver. Step 1, place the housing upside down on a clean, soft surface. Remove the back panel. Step 3, identify the top stone. That's this sucker, it's got the notches the other side. Step 4, gently fit the top stone into the stone cradle. Looks about right. Step 5, identify the two sides. They're the side ones. They go in like so. There we go. Like that. Step 6, identify the base stone. That's the base. It's got the bits that stick out. Ooh, nice. Step 7, find the remaining rear stone. Is that one? Goes in there. Step 8, put the back on. Alright, back's on. So that one goes there. Oh, that's heavy. Oh. All right. That is the Bakerstone Pizza Oven. I'll just take it, bring you down for a closer look. All right, you get your stone in there. Your pizza goes. You got a little temperature gauge up here. It tells you. I'll have to read the instructions. That must be too hot. That must be perfect. Next thing to do, I won't show you how to make the pizza dough. If you want, leave a comment below and I'll do that in a separate video. Next thing to do is to cook the pizzas. Alright, so the pizza dough is now proving it's nearly ready to cut up, ready to make into little pizza bases. The Bakerstone has to heat up for 20 minutes, so I've got it on the barbie. You have to put it on the grill bit. If you've got a hot plate, you have to take the hot plate off. Well, mine was too big, so it went over the top of the hot plate, so I had to take the hot plate off, move it into the middle. And yeah, it takes about 20 minutes. We've got to go right around here somewhere. Right around to there. So I'll get back to you when I'm putting the pizzas in. Well, the first pizza's in. Check that out. It's melting away nicely. Righto, I'll check back in when it's all done. Righto, the first one's out. And there's the second one. What's the verdict?
That's nice, thanks.
Righto, oh man. Check that out. Let's go and cut it up and eat it.